All right, this the bet. You gotta drink 5 sodas for $20. 5 sodas for $20. You ready?
Yo.
All right. Hold on.
Hey, I ain't gonna record and you gotta open those two.
Oh, hold on. Let me open. Five sodas, no stopping. You gotta drink them straight without no breath. All right?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. What happened, nigga? What happened, nigga? What happened, nigga? What happened, nigga?
That shit burnt my stomach.
Nigga, I thought you could do it, nigga.
Nah, that shit burnt my
Nigga, you
stomach.
can't even finish one. All right, look. All right. Since you can't do this challenge, nigga, we done wasted 4 sodas.
No, I'm not nigga.
All right, this is what we gonna do now. Since you can't do that challenge, we gonna do this challenge. Let me get it out the pantry. I think we got some. It's called the cinnamon challenge. You gotta down a whole thing of cinnamon.
Whole thing is cinnamon.
Just a tablespoon. Where is it at? I don't think. Oh, here it is. Without coughing it up, without no water.
This nigga got how much caffeine in this soda?
Nigga, you couldn't do it. Did I say cinnamon? Yeah, cinnamon, not nutmeg. I ain't got no cinnamon. Nigga, I knew you couldn't do it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Cinnamon. It's cinnamon. Hold this. Let me get it ready. Let me get it ready for you. Can't cough it up either. You can't cough it up either, nigga.
What?
Can't cough it up.
What? It's got to just swallow it?
Yep.
That ain't even a.
No, nigga.
That's more than a teaspoon, nigga.
Yeah, nigga, no, this is the deal, nigga. That's $20. Nigga. That's $20. Hold on. Here, nigga. Let me get you to film it. Let me get on that side. Wait, no, don't start yet either. Don't start. Don't start. All right. All right. When you ready. Wait, move that back. Move that right there. Move that over container back. All right. All right. When you ready. And you gotta, ain't no fucking tasting it type shit.
Yeah, just down it in there. I get water afterwards though, right?
Yeah, that's why I got the water on, nigga. So I got the water on. Go ahead. Go ahead, nigga.
Alright, man, here we go.
No, nigga. Nigga, you better let your nose go, nigga. Are you serious, nigga? Are you serious, nigga? Look at your face, nigga. Nigga, look at your face, nigga. Are you serious? Nigga, are you serious? This nigga right here, nigga. Are you serious, nigga? Nigga, you can't spit it out, nigga. Nigga. If you can't do it, nigga, the water is right there. If you can't do it, nigga. nigga face. Nigga, you like your little kid, nigga. You like your son right now, nigga. Like, daddy, that's nasty. Nigga. All right, nigga, you want it back, nigga. You want it back. You want it back. You want it back. I can't believe you did that. Oh, shit, nigga. Look at this. How that shit feel, nigga? Tell the people how it feel. I'm putting this on Facebook, nigga.
Don't try it at home.
Huh?
Don't try it at home, kids.
Oh, let me see.